guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tiffany. You guys can call me Tiff. My channel is all about beauty, lifestyle, crafting, and sometimes I bake. And if you are not new here, what I do, shorty? Today's video, if you haven't seen in the title, I am going to try to recreate Lady Gaga's look. This look right here, and I think I low-key killed it. If you guys want to see the process of how I recreated this look right here, then keep watching my video. Okay, so we are going to be starting with brows, and for brows I'm going in with the City Color eyebrow kit, and I'm just using the medium brown on my brows and filling in any empty areas that I have. The areas that I have that are usually empty are the outer corners of my brows, like where the arch is. So filling that in and a little bit in the front. Once we're done filling our brows in, we are just gonna clean up all of the edges. I like to go in with a foundation. You can also use a concealer, but I like to kind of just match my skin tone all throughout. So yeah, just going in with my Too Faced foundation. I think this is natural beige, and I'm just arching the bottom to my brows. Because we are doing an epic eyeshadow and liner, I'm going to go in with Morphe's translucent eye primer so everything can stick and stay. To create this eyeshadow, I'm going to start by using the lustrous shadow palette by Makeup Forever. And as for my base, I'm going to use this nude color and apply it all over my crease. Now this shadow is going to be the blender. So with this color, we're just going to blend everything else out. So it doesn't matter if you go above to your brow or lower. Just make sure it's very blended and even. Now we're going to grab the brown color from this palette, and we are going to specifically place this shadow on our crease. Not higher, not below, literally in the crease where you can't even see it when you open your eyes. Using the same eyeshadow color and a liner brush, extend your crease line to the point where your eyeliner would end. Now it's time to create the wing liner, and I'm not using an eyeliner, I'm using the black shadow from this palette. And for now, I'm just going to create the liner on my outer corners and stop it in the middle of my eye. There's really no reason why I did this. I don't know, that's just how I do my liner, but I will connect the entire eye a little bit later on in this video. Now with the same brush that we used to clean up our brows, we are just going to clean up the edges of our eyeliner, make sure that they are sharp and perfect, because of course this is Lady Gaga, everything is sharp and perfect. So we just need to make sure we do that, okay? So now to fill in our lid, I'm using this light cream color from this palette, and I'm applying that all over. I'm applying this first. You'll see later on that I kind of take it off a little bit, but we're just setting the base on it and we'll retouch on it later as well. So now it's time to create the bottom liner, and I like to start with making sure that I cover my entire bottom lash line. We don't want this to be super thick or super thin. Make sure it's the right amount. Then once we start getting to our tear duct section, make sure you leave a gap. I like to move my own skin around to make sure that no skin is like moving or anything. So that's what you see me doing here. Also, make sure that there's a gap between the wing liner you created at the top and the wing liner at the bottom. So once we have our liner, we are just gonna blend it out and smoke it out because we want that smoky under eye look. Now going in with Makeup Forever color corrector palette, I'm just using the white and I'm putting it on my bottom waterline and also in between the two black eyeliners that I created. Now I'm just going back with the black eyeshadow just to fill in any areas that got covered by the white on accident, so we're just cleaning things up here. So like I said earlier that I was going to fill in the rest of the liner, that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm just making sure that everything is in my waterline mostly and a little bit above in my lash line. Now for the fun part, I am going in with Nirvana electric color liners, and obviously I'm using the neon yellow because that's what Lady Gaga had. And honestly, I have no idea how to even explain this graphic liner. I'm just copying what Lady Gaga did. I'm keeping everything in the inner corners of my eyes and on my eyebrow, I guess. I really just kind of winged it. I don't know. I just think it was a little difficult trying to get it super perfect because skin moves in so many different ways. So just to have even the illusion that it's not going to move around was a little hard. But I feel like I succeeded. So this is just me doing that electric liner that she had on. So yeah, enjoy. Okay, so my left eye gave me so many issues. It's mirrored, so that is my left eye. But that's why you see me here like cleaning it up and redoing it and like trying to make it even with the right eye. So yeah, my left eye is one of those like my bad eyes that I'm just like not good at. So yeah, I mean, I fixed it, but it just took 10 times longer than my right eye did. And all I did to clean it up was wet a really thin brush and wipe it, because these liners, they move around so easily when you mix water in it. So that's all I used was water. So because we cleaned up so freaking much, I have to go back in with the cream color, like I said earlier, to retouch anything we basically took off. And that's because I knew I was going to struggle with this damn liner. So yeah, just retouching everything, making sure now that everything's done and set. And now we're going to move on to face. I'm using the Double Repair Face Moisturizer. And then I'm going in with my Too Faced foundation, Born This Way, in Natural Beige. And I'm applying that all over my skin. Okay, clearly this foundation's way too freaking light for me. I bought this in the fall, so trust me, I noticed. But we're gonna fix that with a little bit of contour here soon. Now for concealer, I'm going to be using the NARS Medium 2 Ginger, and I'm going to be applying that mostly in my T-zone area, just to brighten my under eyes, around the redness around my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Now going in with Laura Mercier, I'm going to be putting that in my under eyes and anywhere else that I would crease up. This color is also in Translucent Honey, by the way. Now I believe this is a final touch up in the eyes, and I'm using that brown that we used earlier to kind of just blend out our bottom liner a little bit more, just to give it a little bit of a smoky eye and not a harsh liner at the bottom. So these are the areas that I would crease up, mostly just in my forehead because I make too many facial expressions, in my chin, my smile lines around my nose, everywhere where I'm extra oily, honestly. Now finally for contour, I'm going in with my Conceal Me palette and using the medium brown to give me some damn dimension, because right now I look like a damn ghost. So yeah, I'm putting that in my cheekbones, on my temples. I'm contouring my nose and my jawline, because in the picture Lady Gaga just looks super snatched. And also I just need dimension to clear up and like darken these areas so I don't look like just one pancake. So now we're just going to keep adding more color. I'm going in with Too Faced Sun Bunny Bronzer, and I'm applying that just right above my contour and over my nose. For highlighter, I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dripping Gold Stick Highlighter, and I am applying that on the tops of my cheekbones and on my nose. Now I'm going to go in with my blush. I'm using the e.l.f. Putty Blush. It's like a rosy pink. It's also cream, which is why I'm applying this now, because right after this I'm going to be setting my face. But I'm applying that on my cheekbones all the way up to my temples and a little bit on my nose. Now we are going to go back with my Mercer, and we're just going to set everything into place now. We're going to do one last final touch of blush, and we're going to be using the Benefit You Had Me at Merlot. Now it's time for my favorite part. It's the lips. I'm using the Sacheu color in pink, and this is a stained lipstick, so it's going to peel off here in just a little bit, but it stains so freaking good. I will always preach about this damn lip stain because it's that good. So yeah, I'm applying that first, and then we are going to peel it off in just a moment. Also, don't mind my husband in the back, because, yeah. Now it's time to peel this off and then apply our lipstick. I'm using the MAC matte lipstick in the color MEHR and applying that all over. And finally, for the gloss, I'm using Fenty Lip Gloss Fuzzy Heat, and it just brings the whole look together. For some reason, I forgot to record me putting on lashes and mascara, but definitely added that at the end. But look at me, a Latina Lady Gaga. Alright guys, so that is the end of this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this look right here. I tried, you know, to recreate the Lady Gaga look. So hopefully you guys think that I killed it. I'm so happy I did this look. It's definitely an old me look because I just love those graphic liner looks, the wings, just everything about it. It's cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but hey, I might go to Target. Let me know down in the comments what you think, if you think I killed it or if you think I can do better, and put me up for a challenge, maybe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherrebeautique, and I will be back with more videos.